Hello everybody. First of all, I would like to present my system. So we see for photovoltaic panels, 400 watts each. They are mounted on a frame that allows me to control the tilt of the panels according to the sun position. So I have two strings. Every string has two panels connected in series, and the strings are connected to an MPPT controller. My battery is 5 kilowatt hour, made from 16 cells of 100 amps capacity each, and as a BMS I use a JK inverter BMS. The BMS is connected via CAN with the multiplus Victron inverter. So the problem I have with my setup is that almost every time the sun is very powerful, so the charging current is at maximum value for my system, which is about 20 or 25 amps, and the battery reaches a state of charge of about 95%. Some cells start to imbalance. They get a higher voltage than the others in a very short period of time. Here on the graph, you can see with the red line that the one of the cells has a very abrupt change in voltage, which for me is a problem because the BMS signals the end of charge and starts balancing the cells. One solution for me was to manually set the maximum charge current from 20 to about 10 or 5 amps on this last part of the charging. But this is manual adjustment, and I need a function that could automatically intervene and reduce the current based on battery state. So my solution for the problem was to design a function that could automatically reduce the charging current based on my battery voltage. My battery is 100% charged when the voltage is 55.2 volts. Also from tests, I discovered that the imbalance of the cells starts at about 54.5 volts. So my function will reduce the charging current starting from 54.5 volts to 55. The current will be reduced from 20 to 10 amps. This is the first stage of the current reducing, and the second stage is from 55 to 55.2, and the reduction will be from 10 to 5 amps. The function is implemented in Node-RED, and as you can see on the screen, once enabled, as the voltage on the battery is increasing from charging, you can see the charging current being progressively reduced as the voltage increases. Here you can see how the function works. So we have the battery voltage that is this parameter is read from the smart shunt, but can also be read from directly from the inverter parameters if you don't have a smart shunt. And the maximum charge current is also um, available in this field. Here you can see the function and the voltages that I have set for my battery setup. If you have other settings for the current that you want to implement, you can change them. Also, you can change the limit for the voltage if you want the function to work in another way. Here you can see the last portion of the charging, and when the battery reaches 54.5 volts, the current is slowly decreasing, and the cells remain balanced, and there are no spikes in voltage. Also on the last portion, the smart shunt detects that the battery is full and sets the state of charge to 100% based on my settings. I hope you like this function and the information that I present you here. So please give me a like, and please also subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want other information about my system or how I built it, I can also answer your question.